Welcome to Visionary Technologies Enterprise, where every click tells your story, where innovation meets excellence, where we craft your digital masterpiece together, transforming pixels into possibilities. We are here to transform your ideas into captivating digital experiences through design and web development, web hosting, graphic design, computer software, and hardware maintenance. With a glimpse into the world of services we offer, elevate your brand with striking visuals. Stay ahead in the digital landscape with our innovative software solutions. We are dedicated to keep your systems running smoothly with our top-tier hardware maintenance services. For more information, visit our website at www.vteofficial.com or call us on +260 971 507886. Visionary Technologies Enterprise. In a world of tech, we are the visionaries you need.